box, honey. Yeah. We got some more kitty treats. Yeah. You want me to open it up, huh? Yeah, she's a pretty girl, too, huh? Should we open that Skip and Scamper? Where's Mickey? You guys ready? Here we go. Let's see what's in there. Oh, what's going on? It smells good in there. Look at that kitty cat wrapper. It's so cute. All right, guys, what's in there? Got some new toys, some treats. Okay, let's open some of this stuff up, huh? What you think of that toy, Jinx, huh? She likes it, yeah. There you go. Go get it. What do you think of this one? Think of that, Mick. And let's see, we got two treats. Fruitables, tasty superfoods chicken flavor with blueberry, yummy yummy. And Wish and Fish crunchy cat treats. Okay, you guys ready? You want some of this one? So there may be a difference in the quarterly and the monthly, because I know in the monthly I used to get, because I get it quarterly now, I used to get all 3 treats. So this looks like you get the little mouse toy, whatever that is, the octopus, and then that squeaky toy, which the cats love. So there's the 3 toys and then the 2 treats. And the younger cat is absolutely loving the treats too. So yeah, it's $29, but it's free shipping. And the big guy, this is my 8-year-old, he actually loved the toys. He started playing with them, so, you know, I love that.